Today we're going to talk a little bit about funnel scripts from Jim Edwards, what it is, why you need to get it, and exactly how you can get it. Hey, what's going on? It is Paul Motley here, again with another affiliate marketing passive income amazing video for your viewing pleasure. But today we're going to talk about funnel scripts and Jim Edwards and exactly where all that came from, how it got to be, and how you can get it. So for those people that don't know, funnel scripts is actually put together by Jim Edwards. Now, Jim Edwards is kind of like attached, if you like, to the ClickFunnels family. So if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, there is links in the description so you can figure all this stuff out. But I just want to give you like a timeline so you kind of like know what's going on. If you are building a sales funnel, then you are going to need sales copy. And of course, funnel scripts is going to help you do that. But also as well, funnel scripts is so vast, it will actually give you over 60 different types of scripts that you can actually build. Now, I do want you to hang around for this entire video because I'm going to share with you how you can actually take funnel scripts for a free test drive. Yes, you get a free demo using their headline generator. So we're going to go through that in a minute or two. But I just want to point out, first of all, where it all sort of came from. Now, funnel scripts has been around for a couple of years. And if you are following the ClickFunnels community, you will know that Russell Brunson himself has actually brought out a few books of his own. Okay. Now, starting off, we have the DotComSecrets book, right? So that's kind of like where it all began, how you can put your sales funnels together and everything that goes into it and all the good stuff, right? Next came the ExpertSecrets. This is more about storytelling. This is trying to help you get something going as far as like building an audience, right? So that's super important. Finally, we came to the TrafficSecrets book, one of Russell's latest books, and I've got to tell you, I've listened to the audiobook so many times. I've read the book and I've thought it's amazing. And it's one of the things that I'm actually using to build and grow my own business as an affiliate marketer to try and get that passive income. I actually own funnel scripts myself and I thought it was amazing. It was so easy to put stuff together. And actually, Jim actually brought out a book himself recently. And if you haven't seen that, it's Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. Okay. Now, the idea behind this book, right? And I'm just going to show it to you on screen just to prove, yes, I do own the book, right? This is how everyone can use the power of words to get more clicks, sales, and profits, no matter what you sell or who you sell it to. So without further ado, let's get over to the free headline generator and see exactly the sort of results you can get. Now, again, there is a link in the description so you can go ahead and test drive this thing out for yourself. And by all means, I do recommend you do that because without knowing this, you're not going to get an idea of what you're going to get inside of funnel scripts itself. So it's super important that you do try this out. And what I really love about this demo is actually like it gives you so many cool ideas. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to run through this entire page here and let's see the sort of results that I can get. All right, so I've actually just filled this out for myself and I thought, what better example could I give than the actual advice and training that I'm trying to put across in this YouTube channel. So I've gone for my target audience is affiliate marketer, right? My main topic is passive income. My second main topic is making simple YouTube videos. Okay, the one big result that people will want is create passive income streams, right? And what else do they want to do? They want to earn over 10k per month with passive income. The pain they want to avoid is without using paid ads. No one likes using paid ads, right? And the biggest roadblock that's holding them back is you've never made a single sale with affiliate marketing, right? And we're talking about it time frame wise 30 days or less. So I just hit the button and said build, and this has already given me a few headlines there. So how to create passive income streams without paid ads, like that. How to create passive income streams so you can avoid without paid ads. Okay, that needs a tweak. How to earn over 10k per month with passive income without paid ads. I like that one as well. And yeah, I can get this. So if I click this button now, let's see what happens. All right, so I clicked the button. It's asking me to opt in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And let's see what happens on the next page. So as expected, I've now been sent an email with all those results. Okay, so I'm pretty keen to see exactly what's going on there. But just even that tiny little snippet there has already given me some great ideas, not just for using for email subject lines, but also for top of headlines as far as like my website goes, but also maybe even YouTube video topics as well. So just the free demo alone has already given me so much value. And of course, what happens on the next page is we are going to try and see if you want to buy funnel scripts. Okay, and this video talks about it in the explainer video. I'm not going to go through all that now, but if I click this button and say get all my sales copy done now, I'm pretty sure it's going to take me to a sales page. And I was right. Yes, this is going to be where the next part of the funnel kicks in. There's going to be a web class that you can go ahead and register for. Again, I'm going to drop the link in the description so you get a full understanding of what you're getting if you go through with this as well. Now, funnel scripts, yes, it is a paid program. Is it worth it? Absolutely it is. I have used this for several of my own personal launches. I've used it for affiliate funnels. I've used it for product funnels. I've used it for emails. I've even used it to create my own webinars as well, which have made thousands of dollars. So it is worth the tiny investment when you actually think about what you're getting as a resource. So by all means, go ahead, click that link, which actually says Funnel Scripts Demo, below in the description of the video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I will catch you again on the next one.